Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change wallpaper on Microsoft Surface 5. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, then open Personalization, go for Background, and here we can choose the type of wallpaper that we want to use. There's a picture, solid color, slideshow, and Windows Spotlight. So depending on which one you select, if we go for a picture, we can select one of the recent images or Windows images that you have installed by default on your PC and choose whichever one we like. If we want to set our own photo or whichever wallpaper you downloaded as the background, you can click on the Browse Photos and then find it on your PC with a file manager and select it as your wallpaper. If we go for the solid colors instead, you can pick one solid color to use as your background. If we decide to go for a slideshow, you can select the different amount of pictures that will basically slide and slideshow throughout time and change after, for example, 5 minutes, you will get different picture. And then we can also go for Windows Spotlight, which kind of works like a slideshow, but it uses some Windows images and it will change your wallpaper from time to time. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.